Fourth standard students, let us start new chapter, tables and shares. Already we have seen this in the online classes. So this page, I hope you have no query, but still in short I am explaining. Okay, it is the row with marigold, sunflower, and in one row 18 flowers are there, 18 plants are there. Here rose. So in one row 3 flowers are there. In this way 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, and in this row 1 2 3 9 flowers are there and 2 columns. Okay, and on the basis of we have filled this. Got it? Now jars in the shelf. Already we have seen these jars already. In one row 30 jars are there. In one row 15 jars are here. We can count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, can you think of other ways to make shelf to keep 30 jars? In the shelf, if we want to shelf is arrangement, can you think of other ways to make a shelf to keep 30 jars? If shelf is having this space, then other than a shelf is having more racks, also we can arrangement. 30 are there. So if 2 jars we will arrange. So in this way we'll get 15 rows, because 15 twos are 30, or 15 jars already is. We can 3 jars also we can arrange 3 by 3 by 3. So 10 columns we will get. 3 tens are 30. Then in one rag we can arrange 5 jars also. So in this way we will get 6 rows. Or in other way we can arrange 6 jars in one row. So we will get 5 columns. So in this way so many ideas. That means a table 30. So 1 jar also we can arrange. So 1 into 30. 2 so 2 into 15. 2 jars, so 15 columns. 30 jars, 1 row. 15 jars, 2 columns. 3 tens are 30. 3 jars with 10 columns. Or 10 jars or 3 column. Then 5 6 are. And 3 tens are also, 5 6 are also. In this way 5 in one row 5 jars, so 6 column we, or we will arrange 6 jars in one row, so 5 columns we will get. So draw a shelf to show how many jars you will keep in each row. How many rows are there? Have your friends drawn it in different ways? We can draw in different ways. Okay, easy tricks. I do not know the multiplication table of 7. I know the table till 5. But there is an easy trick. I can make the table of 7 with the table of 2 and 5. So many students sent me the homework, but from 1 and 2 did wrong. That's why again I am explaining this table. Okay children? But I am happy you are sending the homework. Now see on the next page. Table of 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 8s are 16, 9s are 18 and 20. In this way table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 2s are 10, 3s are 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now table of 7. So for the table of 7 you will add the product. Okay. So 2 and 5, 7, 4 and 10, 14, 6 and 15, 21, 8 and 20, 28, 8, 25, 35, 12, 30, 42, 14, 35, 49, 16, 40, 56, 18, 45, 63, 20 and then 50, 70. In this. Clear? See how I did the 2 numbers in the yellow boxes to get the table of 7. These numbers she added. Aha, it is easy. I can also make the table of 7 with table of 4 and 3. So what he has done? Help Bunty to make the table of 7 using the table of 4 and 3. So let's start to help the Bunty. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32, 4 nines are 36, and 4 tens are 40. Then 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, and 3 tens are 30. Okay. Product we will add 4, 3, 7, 8, 6, 12, 9. In this way you will fill 16 plus 12, 28. So you can fill easily. Which two tables will you use for writing the table of 4 or 12? I will teach you. But first we will teach the table of 7 in different way also. 3 and 4 we can use. And then if you will write the table of 1 and table of 6, then add. You will get the table of 7. Another way, if we will write table of 2 and 5, we will get 3 and 4, we will get another way. You can find? No. So in this way we can. So 1 and 6, the table of 1 you will write, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 threes are 3, and 6. And you will send, okay, in the homework. Bye-bye.